Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how you can move or remove the emoji from your face aesthetically with the PicsArt application. Now you just need to open your PicsArt applications right away and then wait until the application is perfectly loaded. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into the plus button and just open the picture that contains emoji on it. The next thing you need to do is just tap into this effects and just go visit the blur option and then click this radial blur. And this side you just need to tap into this options and then you just need to tap into face. Or you can also do invert so that you will got only this area that could be isolate, or you can also click restore and then you just need to go swipe into the face or emoji area, and then you just need to go click the hardness, adjusting to be like more hard, and then just go click this checklist button. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into this one and then you just need to drag this area into the outer part so that the emoji section could be more blurry. You can also adjusting the area too by go tap on this side, or you can also drag it into the other part. And then you just need to go click apply and just download this picture to get it into your library. So that is the way how you can remove the emoji aesthetically only with the PicsArt application. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.